day. APCC will have to ride on this tiger and become the bridge to unite the Asian Portuguese community. The Portuguese once regarded Macau as a center of Portuguese Asia, but Macau has since returned to China. Timor Leste could be the new hub of Asian Portuguese community and with a channel of linking the other Portuguese-speaking nations outside Asia. In my article published in the organizing committee commemorating this APCC, I have laid out several suggestions to be considered for the survival of the Asian Portuguese communities. I take comfort that I'm not alone in this journey. I have friends from all over Asia who believe in the vision of APCC. Together we will be a tower of strength for the Asian Portuguese. We are not asking much, just a chance to survive as a community, as a Portuguese community, linked communities, a community that can only claim to be one if it possesses a language, a culture, a tradition which they can proudly call their own. The Asian Portuguese community has all these prerequisites to be regarded as one race.